Next, for we what we have left over with, we left over with joints, right? So that is we have completed. Yeah, we have completed the cross join as well. And what is full join? Full join means the full join means the all the data has to be taken. Okay, all the data has to be taken. It will accept the null values also. If it is not there fetching the data, it is not matching the both the tables, it will be printed as well null values. Okay, so we will see how to use this. Okay, full join. In full join, select customers. What is customers here, Gautam? What is customers here? This is the table name. Okay, so customers is the table name and customer ID is the column name. Okay, table name and column name I'm taking. Okay, next here the customer table and column name as well. The same I'm going to take the same thing. From customers table only I'm taking now. Okay, from customers table only I'm taking here. What is that? We are using full outer join. Okay, full outer join where you are taking on orders. Orders means what here? The second table name, orders. Okay, and again where you are taking the date, where you are comparing the both things, you are comparing uh, customers ID and customers ID. So this is customer ID and customer ID will be the same in both tables. So that's why I'm taking this two using foreign key. Okay. So here we will take. So we will fetch this. Execute. What the address? Okay. I have copied twice. Yeah. So it is taken the full join and it is avoid the duplications as well. It is taken the two things and we don't have any null values and it is matches the one table 1 and table 2. That's why it is taking. If it is not matches and the common name is there, the something, if it is not there, the column matches as well, it will fetches the null values as well. Okay, and next a self join. And the self join only the one table is there and for that one table it is created the temporary table using alias. Okay, I will show you. Itself it is creating actually. here the painting. Here only one table we have in a self join. So this is one table. It is creating another table. Okay, it is creating another table giving results actually using the two tables. Okay, so this is the original table and this is the temporary table. Okay, so using alias it will take the table 1 results as well table 2 results. Okay, and comparing both these two results it will give the results as well. Okay, so only one table we are manipulating into the two tables here. So joins means what? We are doing the two tables as well. The results has to be printed, either it may be a left join or right join and all the things. In the self join only one table we have. That one table we need to create the using alias the two tables. It will give the results as well. Okay, is it clear, right? So we will see an example using alias. That's why I tell you the first thing alias. Just so using self join we need to create the temporary name for existing original name now. Okay, so I'm creating now self join. Select C1 for creating customer ID. I'm taking customer ID. So we have the two tables for C1 and here I'm taking customer ID. This will be the column name. Okay, I'm doing the column name as well using alias customer 1 ID. Okay, it is better to take like that only, if not I'm confused. So customer ID 1. Okay, here again we have the C1, that will be the table name. So here I'm taking customer name using here the customer 1. Okay, customer 1 name. So I'm changing customer name into customer 1 name. I'm changing here. Okay, next C2 I'm taking the table as a table 2. Again here the customer ID as into customer 2. Already we have completed the customer 1 and again I'm taking into the temporary name here into the customer 2 ID. Okay, so here again C2 1 or C2 here customer name as customer name. Okay, from I'm doing using here inner join. So here customers C2 on C1 dot customer name. Okay, so here again C2 I'm taking customer name, where I'm writing one condition where C1 there is a temporary name, here customer ID is I'm applying not equal to, okay, not equal to C2. So customer ID. So we will see customer ID, customer C2 the customer name as you can take anything. Customer who's that? Oh, customer is ID. Yeah. It is not equaling actually. So that's why it is not printed. So we will do this is as equal. We will see. So it is printed. So we don't have any null values here. So that's why it is not taken anything. Okay. So it is changed into the customer ID into customer ID. It is taken into the hyphen and all the things. Okay. Is it clear, right, everyone? And I'll tell you the more examples on a self-join you will get. Okay. Or tomorrow I'll tell you the more examples on self-join.
Okay.
Actually, the alias is some confused for you. For that, we need to take that only because in databases we have the use of data, so we need not remember all the things. So that's why we are using this alias and all the things. Here I will give. Okay. So it is